Hey, welcome, savvy marketer. Let me ask you, are you tired of complicated, money sucking traffic systems? Well, it's time for a reality check. We all know, everybody knows, that traffic is the lifeblood of every online business. But marketing costs are skyrocketing. The amount of complex methods out there that waste weeks or months of your time are endless. Most methods deliver only tire kickers, and one wrong move and you're done. Every smart marketer knows success requires three key elements. We all need consistent buyer traffic, not just random visitors. We all need an automated system to recapture our time and to gain freedom, and the professional tools required to maximize every click. That's why we packaged all three into one simple system. Introducing the Buyer Click System. Introducing the Buyer Click System, where you get only 100% verified buyers. No more tire kickers. 100% automated, set it and forget it traffic, and a system that enables you to track your success so that you know what's working. This is instant buyer traffic. I mean, so instant. You paste your link, you can watch real buyer traffic flow 24/7. So while others struggle with complex and costly methods, you will be getting results immediately and on autopilot. Plus, as a massive bonus, we've included an essential tool suite. Every successful business needs these tools. So your bonus number one is going to be premium click tracking. You'll be able to track every buyer's journey. You'll be able to identify your best performers, and you'll be able to make data-driven decisions. Look, if you're not tracking what you're doing in your business, running without tracking is like driving blindfolded. Next, we have a premium page builder. This is the same tool I build all my funnels with. Okay, over 450 proven templates. It's instant mobile optimization, built-in conversion elements. So why? Because first impressions matter, and professional pages convert up to 10 times better. And our third massive bonus is our exclusive marketing vault. I'm going to be giving away over 100,000 in premium marketing resources. These are membership sites, white label SaaS products, mobile apps, SMS marketing platforms, done for you marketing assets. We're going to hold monthly prize drawings, okay? No additional purchases necessary. This is only available to Buyer Click System members. Whereas a massive bonus, you can scoop up enterprise marketing tools essential for serious growth. Now, let's connect the dots. We're going to provide 100% buyers. That equals income for you. We're going to give you pro tools. That equals higher conversions for you. We're going to deliver it on complete automation. That equals more time for you. It is truly a complete business acceleration system. So what's this worth in real time? Well, if you were to go to Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, in the make money online space, it is very, very difficult to get clicks from those big platforms for less than $3 a click. So these clicks are definitely worth $2,697. The professional tool suite that we're handing over to you would cost $97 monthly, each and every month, month after month after month. And automated buyer traffic, well, that's priceless. I mean, after all, how much is your time worth? So today you can claim this powerful traffic system for only $17.97 for 1,000 verified buyer clicks. That's less than the cost of a pizza, including a complete automation system, professional tool suite, ongoing buyer traffic. This is truly your path to success. You just activate your buyer click system, watch the traffic flow, and wonder why you waited so long. For the serious, Solopreneurs, it's time to choose. You can join now, get buyer clicks and all tools, or you can wait and continue to struggle. Smart marketers are clicking below. Claim the buyer click system today. Pure, ready to buy traffic on complete autopilot.